think there's a couple different reasons why these type of cameras are coming back and becoming more popular. I think number one, we shoot everything on our iPhone. We know what that looks like. And even with the digital cameras, I mean, we see so many different creators online that are using the newest, nicest, sharpest camera. And it's like, you know what? Maybe we don't need the most perfect image. Maybe there's something great about the grungy, dirty look that this camera has. And I think when you see a lot of footage that is digitized from the 90s, like, it's very compelling. We're looking at it and we're seeing, not only is it compelling because we're seeing people from a past life, before phones, before the internet age, before, we're really looking into a completely different society and world that's taking place in the same physical space. It's honestly just bizarre to see. You know, back in the day, it's like the person holding the camera was like, oh, that one guy with the camera, but no one else is walking around with phones just kind of filming everything, you know. Life itself was not filmed and photographed and documented in the intense way that it is today. So when we see those type of images, they just feel special. And we see all the people in them, and we look at them and we think like, wow, those people are really living in that moment. You know, they're not distracted by their phones. They're not distracted by all the things that distract us on a daily basis. And I think there's just something about that, you know, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the internet age and your phone, which we all have, you know, there's something very compelling about seeing people exist in that type of time, and it really makes you it really makes you attracted to that time. And not only that time, but like this type of footage. So, you know, if you're doing anything, you're trying to evoke that sense of nostalgia, using a camera like this in your video projects is gonna work great. But, you know, nostalgia is the best. Nostalgia is the best. There's just nothing like it.